Yes, yes. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is indeed Majeed, like magic. You're about to see a real magic show. I'm not going to pull a rabbit out of a hat. I'm going to put a pink rabbit in your mind. There it is. And now it has a green hat. Isn't that neat how words just put pictures in your mind? The pink rabbit with the green hat. Yeah. Click. Consider word selection as a mindfulness practice. And in order to do so, you must first believe that you are in control of the words that you choose. Do you believe that? Yes. Okay. Okay. If you can choose better words, you can have a better life. Do you believe me?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to share with you some of my favorite words. Some word replacements. Click. So let's start with, where do words come from? Where do words come from? Words are spelled. They're spelled. They're little spells that we cast into people's minds, into our own minds. That's where words come from. Words are spelled. All right. We're going to start with the nasty ones. Don't should on me. Don't should on you. What is should? I should go into Antigua. I should get ready for dinner. I should go back to university and finish my degree. Should is someone else's values, not yours. You don't even need it. You can do a wordectomy right here, right now. Should, no more. Click. Can't? Can't? Really? Someone with so much capability like you can't? Really? Or you just don't want to? You can wordectomy, can't. For example, click. I can't wait to see you. Really? You're going to have to, because I'm not here yet. Slow down. You can't wait? Yes, you can, and you will. How about I'm looking forward to seeing you? Isn't that better? So to go from something like I can't to something better like I'm looking forward to seeing you, just ask yourself, what's a better way to say it? What's a more empowered way to say it? You don't need to say I can't. Click. I can't afford it. I can't afford it, or you just don't want it that bad. I can't afford it, or you just can't figure out how to get it. Click. How can I afford it? Here's a little formula for you. Whenever you have a limiting belief, turn it into a expansive question. I can't afford it becomes, how can I afford it? We can't fit everybody in the van becomes, how could we fit everybody in the van? Click. Have to? No, you don't. No, you don't. I have to buy a new suit for the wedding. I have to book my tickets to go to the wedding. I have to go to my friend's wedding, and I can't go to your party. Click. No, you choose to. You choose to buy a new suit. You choose to book those flights. You choose to go to that wedding, and you choose to not go to that other thing. It's not that you can't. You just choose not to. Click. You get to. I get to book, I get to buy a new suit. I get to book those flights. I get to go to the wedding. So have to, you're a prisoner. You're out of control. Someone else is in control. Choose to, you're back in control. Get to, you're in a state of gratitude. I have to pay my taxes. Really? No, I choose to. Actually, I get to. Because I live in this country that has these wonderful services that provide for me, I get to pay my taxes. I have to wake up early tomorrow for my flight. I choose to wake up early tomorrow for my flight. I get to wake up early because I'm flying tomorrow. Click. Don't say if, say when. If is uncertain, when is certain. Why not live in a state of certainty? When you're talking to a potential client, you don't say if we work together, you say when we work together, and they're like, yeah, that sounds good. If we get to the top of the volcano for sunrise becomes when we get to the top of the volcano for sunrise. Speak with certainty. Why not? Click. Hope becomes trust. Don't say hope. Don't say, I hope you have a good day. Say, I trust you have a good day. Don't say, I hope we see each other again. Say, I trust we will see each other again. Why not live in a world of certainty? It's very calming. Have some certainty. You don't need to hope. You can trust. Click. The clicker is working. Okay, everybody, please say, my goal is to go to sleep tonight. Go ahead.
My goal is to go to sleep tonight.
Now say, I'm going to go to sleep tonight.
I'm going to go to sleep tonight.
The goal is less certain. The goal is like, I'm going to strive, I'm going to try, and hopefully I'm going to get there. Don't set goals, make commitments. Click. You don't need to try, you will. I heard someone the other day said, I'm going to try to be on time. Oh, I'm going to try to be on time? What does that mean? I'm going to try to be on time? I have a hard time trusting you. How about I will? I will be on time. Click. Speaking of time, who owns it? Who controls it? You ever find these people, they're like, I don't have enough time. I wish I had time. I'm trying to find time. Why don't you make time? Whose time is it? I got all the time in the world for what matters to me. Make time. Let's make some time. Let's create some time. Why not speak about time as though it's yours to control? Be a master of your time. Notice the words that you speak. Be mindful of the words that you choose, because the words that you choose change your reality. Click. Okay, this is simple, this is easy, this is fun. Say it with me. This is simple, this is easy, this is fun. Yes! This is an incantation. And whenever it doesn't feel true, you just turn it into some questions. How can I make this more simple? How can I make this more easy? How can I make this more fun? When you're not feeling so grateful, you can say, gosh, I'm so grateful that it's simple. I'm grateful that it's easy. I'm grateful that it's fun. We program our mind and we see what we say to ourselves. Our words are a reflection of our inner thoughts and beliefs. And when we change the words, we change our inner thoughts and beliefs. That's magic words. Let's click it one more time. Talked about mindfulness. One more. I did not mention abracadabra. Abracadabra is what the magician says, and in Hebrew it means, abracadabra means, I speak and I create. I speak and I create. One more time. And ladies and gentlemen, my name is Majeed, like magic, and that is Magic Word.